Upasana is here with a quick preview here. Upasana, what are we expecting?
Well, we're expecting a strong quarter this time as well. Revenue, we're expecting around 10,100 crore. And mind you that the company has given a guidance of 40,000 crore FY25 revenue. And if we look at the 9-month figures, they stand somewhere around 28,500. So largely we're expecting that company will be able to meet this guidance. Now EBITDA we're expecting at 387 crore with an uptick of 1.12 times. EBITDA margins we're expecting around 3.87%. With a downtick of 10 basis points. And mind you, since the last 5 to 6 quarters, the EBITDA margin of the company largely remains within the range of 3.7 to 4%. So we are expecting it to remain in this range only. Now PAT we are expecting around 229 crores with an uptick of 1.3 times. And we are expecting the revenue growth, as mentioned earlier, will be mainly led by the company's strong growth seen in its mobile and EMS segment. Now, mind you that the Dixon's 70% revenue is from a single client, that is Motorola, which has seen some signs of slowdown in the coming quarter. So we'll be watching out for that as well. We are also expecting the smartphone volumes to be around 9 million for the current quarter, which will be mainly driven by the higher contribution from Smart2 and Compal sequentially. Better execution is what we are also expecting in telecom and IT hardware, which will support strong growth in companies' EMS business. And lastly, margin, as highlighted earlier, will see a downtick of 10 basis points is what we are estimating. Now let us look at the key things that we'll be watching out for. We'll be watching out for companies' commentary from mobile display unit, commentary on any disbursement of PLI, any new customer onboarding, and lastly, management's commentary on the volume in terms of tie-up with Vivo. So all in all, we're expecting a strong quarter from Dixon in its Q4 and FY25.
We'll keep an eye out on that. Thanks a lot for that, Upasana. Well, let's